I don't want to have to force anybody to have to run npm run prod 1,000 times. And so why don't we jump back into our scripts? We can solve this. Webpack has a watching mode. And so maybe it makes sense for our development mode that we just have a watch flag added on. What's cool is that, guess what? We just have to compose the watch flag onto the end of our dev script.
Does the order matter there?
It does not. So if we save that and run npm run dev, all right. The process doesn't exit, and we're still in, it just shows this feedback. But what's great now is why don't we even just jump into nav? Like, what if we wanted to change this? Like, what if we wanted to instead have it be a function that calls and returns a string literal nav? Now, of course, our code would look a little different. So like, if this is a function that returns a nav string, that means we now have to call nav if we want to get the string back, right? But you can see slowly in your terminal feedback as you're changing that. So let me see if I can get both of them up on the same, both files. It'll be helpful. Oops. There we go. But as you make changes, Webpack is just incrementally compiling. It just changes whatever modules you're working with.